Last week, my Meyer lemon tree looked like this. Yellow leaves, white spots everywhere, sticky sap dripping down the branches. I thought it was done for. Those white spots? Those sticky, gooey leaves? They're slowly killing your tree. But here's the good news. I'm about to show you 5 kitchen fixes that cost absolutely nothing. And tip number 4, that's what premium California citrus groves use. But they never talk about it. No harsh chemicals that hurt your lungs. No bending over until your back screams. Just simple ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Let's save your tree. Now, most videos will tell you to get down on your knees and inspect every single leaf. That's fine if you're 25. But here's how smart gardeners do it. The phone camera trick. Just pull out your phone, open the camera, and zoom in. You can see every tiny bug, every weird spot, without bending down at all. Save those photos too. They're perfect for tracking your tree's recovery. And here's another one. The mirror on a stick. Tape a small mirror to the end of a broomstick. Now you can see the undersides of leaves. That's where pests love to hide. Your back will thank you. Quick question. Do you use your phone camera in the garden? Or are you still loyal to the old-fashioned magnifying glass? Let me know in the comments. All right, time for the weapons. Fix number 1, the soap spray. This little spray bottle, it's a silent assassin. It breaks down the waxy coating that protects scale insects and aphids, and they just shrivel up. Here's the recipe. 1 quart of warm water, 1 teaspoon of mild dish soap, not the kind with bleach, 1 teaspoon of cooking oil, optional, but it helps the mixture stick. Pro tip, spray in the late afternoon. Never spray in direct sunlight. Hot leaves plus soap equals burnt, damaged leaves. Fix number 2, the garlic barrier. Garlic doesn't just keep vampires away. Aphids hate the smell of garlic. 1 whiff and they pack their bags. You've got 2 options here. Option A, fresh garlic. Blend 2 cloves, strain the liquid, mix with 2 cups of water. Option B, garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 cups of warm water. Stir it up. Done. Just make sure that powder is fully dissolved so it doesn't clog your sprayer. Pro tip, spray around the base of the tree, not directly on fruit you're about to eat. And if you're feeling lazy, garlic powder is just as good. No blending required. Fix number 3, neem oil, the heavy artillery. If soap spray isn't cutting it, neem oil is your backup. It doesn't kill pests instantly. Instead, it makes them lose their appetite and stop reproducing. They just give up. Fair warning, neem oil smells a bit like old onions. But hey, that's exactly why the bugs hate it. Safety note, always follow the instructions on the bottle. Neem oil is powerful stuff. Have you tried any of these before? Or do you have a secret weapon I haven't mentioned? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Now, tips 4 and 5 aren't technically inside your kitchen cupboards, but they're so essential I couldn't leave them out. Consider these your bonus fixes. Okay, remember at the beginning when I mentioned tip number 4? This is what premium California citrus groves use, and it costs you almost nothing. Yellow sticky traps. Pests are obsessed with the color yellow, like moths to a flame. Just hang these sticky traps around your tree and they'll fly straight into them. You don't spray anything. You don't touch anything. You just wait. Here's how. Grab some yellow sticky traps from any garden store or Amazon. Hang 2 or 3 around the canopy. Replace when they're full. That's it. The pests do all the work of getting themselves caught. Next time your neighbor asks why your lemon tree looks so good, just smile and say, "Oh, I have my secrets." Fix number 5. The Ladybug Alliance. This is the laziest pest control method ever invented. Let someone else do the work for you. A single ladybug eats 50 aphids every single day. You just have to welcome them. How to invite ladybugs to your garden. Plant dill, marigolds, or daisies near your citrus tree. Never use chemical pesticides. They'll kill ladybugs too. Leave a small dish of water for them to drink. Free labor. No paycheck required. Now let's talk prevention. The Plantain's relax forever mindset. Tip 1. Water the root, not the leaves. Wet leaves equal happy fungus. Dry leaves equal happy you. Tip 2. Prune for airflow. A crowded tree is a sick tree. Open it up. Let the sunshine reach the center. Tip 3. Keep your tree short. This is the smartest thing I ever did. I keep my lemon tree shoulder height. No ladder, no risk. Still plenty of fruit. Next year, around this same time, you're sitting on your porch, sipping lemonade made from the very tree you saved. No chemicals, no backache, just satisfaction. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button. Next week, I'm sharing how to make free fertilizer from kitchen scraps. Your citrus tree is going to love it. Last question. Out of all these tips, which one are you going to try first? Tell me in the comments. See you in the next one.